Hey everybody, Courtney Fraser Jones, the adult programmer at the Terry Library, part of the Central Arkansas Library System. I'm here today in my beautiful garden to show you how to organically, chemical-free, pesticide-free take care of the black spot on your roses. You know black spot is awful. It ruins your plants, it's the worst. If you don't know black spot, you're lucky and you probably don't have roses, because if you have roses, you probably do. Let me tell you what I do. Because we are a chemical-free family, I read about this a couple years ago on the internet, and oh my gosh, it works 100%. I love this solution. There is one rule to it. You do have to do this once a week as prescribed. So what you're going to do is take a squirt bottle, make sure it's clean, rinse it out, give it just a whirly, half water, half milk. Make sure that you've got your squirter on and get to work. Follow me. So literally, you are squirting the foliage of your roses. Now this is a real beauty because he doesn't have any black spot. Let me tell you why he doesn't. Milk solution. Let me tell you the other reason why he doesn't. Because he is an heirloom rose. He is an old world rose. And these old world heirloom roses are so much more likely to not get black spot and other diseases. They just are a lot easier to handle. So another thing to consider when you're picking out roses. Now I've totally fallen for it before. Those beautiful hybrid teas. Oh my gosh, I've got 2 of them. 2 exactly. The rest of my roses, and I have about 12 to 14, are either old world heritage roses that I've ordered from companies who specialize in this type of rose, or I've inherited them from my grandmothers, which makes me so happy. Love it. Love that. So, black spot treatment is several parts. Not only are we going to squirt it with our milk and water solution, the other thing that is super helpful with getting rid of and preventing black spot is you want to take off any infected leaves. Like I said, I'm sorry I don't have a good example here, but black spot is a black spot on your leaves. It makes them curl up and yellow and not pretty. Gives a yellow halo effect, which is not angelic at all, it turns out. The other thing is remove all that dead growth that has fallen down there into your pot or along the ground. Roses just do not need that kind of help. That's help in air quotes. Anyway, 1 part milk, 1 part water. Give it a good shake. Give it a squirt once a week. You'll be glad you did. If you would like more organic, pesticide, and chemical-free garden tips, let us know. I've got a ton of them. Bye everybody. See you later.